welcome to one of my wagon refurbishment videos, this time looking at the Triang Hornby Blue Circle cement hopper, or Cemflo PCV wagon to give it its proper name. Many years ago, one of these well-known wagons was one of my first bits of rolling stock. However, years later I decided my need for a de-icing vehicle was greater than my need for concrete, and so Dad painted it dark grey and labelled it with de-ice, with a spraying attachment and pipe at one end. I'll find it out one day and let you see it. So I felt it was time to redress the balance, and so going for a song on eBay I found these three wagons, looking rather grubby and tired, but more or less intact. There were two by Triang and one by Hornby. I can't see a difference between them. The first job was to give them a good wash, making sure not to dampen the paper labels. Then I cleaned out the wheel bearings, and while the wheels that came were okay, they were plastic and I prefer metal, so I re-wheeled them with metal Hornby wheels. Next I set about picking out some details to make them less bland. Now, as far as I can tell, there is no prototype for these wagons. By that I mean all over yellow, like we see here. There were undoubtedly Blue Circle PCVs, but these were silver grey. So I felt able to add painted detail as I saw fit. Here they are now, after full refurbishment. What do you think?